Stop! Stop! I think we lost him.
You owe me big time, you know that, didn't you?
I can't remember the last time I ran so fast.
I don't think you can call that running.
Hobbling, then.
It's not all about memories. I mean, the Julie thing is... You know, the fact is you forgave her back then because that's who you are. You know, you always see the good in people, and that ain't changed, Nigel. And you've still got what it takes to forgive again. I know you have. You know, make a new memory.
Do you know why me and Grant hid this? Because we thought that if we brought anything valuable back home, you'd nick it.
Me?
Yeah. You can be a bit of a bully when you want to be, really quite intimidating. You know, other times, you're the nicest person I know.
Yeah, well, if you really think that, you have gone mad. Nah.